What is up, you guys? Look what I got right there. You know what that is? That's that Danos jerky, baby. We're launching the Danos Chipotle jerky out here at Third Turn Brewery in Crestwood, Kentucky. We're giving away 500 free bags of this beef jerky. I'm telling you guys what, best beef jerky you ever had. No sugar, no chemicals, it's all natural. It's the way jerky should be made. Check out the place, y'all. Come on.
Spice is like just perfect. That is dang good.
Wow, this is good.
Just incredible. It's so good.
Where else would you rather be other than hanging out, seasoning food, and eating beef jerky? We'll get back to the party. Hey, why wait in line when you got brother that just brings beer? That's what I'm talking about. Thanks, Rhino. Cheers.
Good.
You enjoyed the video. That about wraps it up. Don't forget to go try some of that new Danos Chipotle jerky. Yum yum, get you some. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think.